This is kind of interesting because we're just kind of filming and capturing all the bikes and kind of going up and down the row. So they got a nice clear bike lane, and we're walking over the bridge, and we're going to be going into a Nightlife area, but we're also just kind of capturing what this bridge looks like. So I'll label it accordingly, and I'll also show you the water over there. Let's see it right now. Oops. Yeah, the motorbikes go on the sidewalks too, so you have to be really careful. Oh, there's a crane on that rope right there. Okay, so we're gonna go to the other side. There goes the crane. Another one. Chengdu. Okay, so this is actually video 13 to 14. So I created a set of different streets in Chengdu. A couple of them I went a couple times, so this is one. So I went there maybe 2 nights ago, and I filmed, and then and I'm kind of like trying to figure out like why it looks so active and busy in other YouTube video stuff, but then when I went there it looked like it was closed. So I go back around this evening again, and I kind of try to see how it's changed. It's changed a little bit actually. It's a little bit better actually. But anyways, this is the one, and I'm gonna be putting it in video with some music, so you can see about 2 minutes of a video where I take some of the best, and then I'll come back and you can see me do the walk and talk. And just so you know, the walk and talk is where you can hear me speaking like the beginning part and kind of seeing what's around me. And just so you know, I have a collection of all Chengdu videos now, so this is 13 to 14. There's only one more left after this one. I'll probably put it up in about 5 or 6 days from now. And then that'll be a wrap for my Chengdu videos that I've been uploading. So I hope you like the whole set, and I have a ton of them down below in the links, so you can click around and check out some of the other ones too, if it's kind of interesting to you. So Chengdu.
Strolling down the streets of Chengdu, where the old meets the new. Lanterns glow and the river flows in the heart of Sichuan, dreams come true. Walking through the alleys, feeling so free. Chengdu's charm is calling me. From Jinli Street to Chunxi Road, every step a story unfolds. Tea houses and spicy delights, pandas playing in the soft moonlight. Temples whisper tales of old. In Chengdu, every moment's gold. Walking through the alleys, feeling so free. Chengdu's charm is calling me. From Jinli Street to Chunxi Road, every step a story unfolds. Mountains rise and the city thrives. In Chengdu, I feel alive. With every smile and every sight, Chengdu's magic shines so bright. Walking through the alleys, feeling so free. Chengdu's charm is calling me. From Jinli Street to Chunxi Road, every step a story unfolds. Walking through the alleys, feeling so free. Chengdu's charm is calling me. From Jinli Street to Chunxi Road, every step a story unfolds.
Okay, so we're gonna go back to our and what we're gonna do, kind of checking out the bike lane But we're gonna go over there in a minute. Wonder why that guy's ringing the bell. So anyways, we're going to, so stay tuned, and I'm gonna go underneath the bridge and to the other side. And this goes down. So this is our route. And then we're gonna go underneath the bridge, and you can see what's underneath, and there's a bit of a nightlife zone. And I've been watching these YouTube videos, and there's a lot of nightlife and activity at this space, but I didn't see it last night. So we'll see if we see it tonight. Got some beautiful murals here. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so that's the bridge that we were just under, and then this is Riverwalk. And what I'm kind of curious about tonight is last night all the bars were closed, and I don't know why. They were all open on the other side, and there's a nightlife area over there called Kwai Fong, and then on this side they were all closed. But I've seen so many YouTube videos where they were not, where they were just wide open, and it was kind of like thumping with activity. This right here is a little restaurant area. Yeah, Chengdu has a really cool vibe. This one has some amazing Buddhist stuff everywhere. Do ear cleaning there. So let me see. I think she's calling for customers to the ear cleaning. Okay, so we're gonna see if there's anything interesting happening down a little bit further. So stay tuned. So yeah, this is stuff right here, this 808 Live House. I saw these other videos where this is just alive. The lights are on. I think that's a KTV. But there was some other ones where there was live music, live house, hip hop. So this doesn't really look like it's gonna be open. So it's kind of strange. So this whole strip has all these closed bars. And then there's another side on the other side, which is actually quite lively. And I might walk over there and film before it gets dark. So there's somebody in here. Somebody just sitting there by themselves with a beer. They got live music in there. So maybe that will be open later. Music and food. This one looks closed, and there's even a gate on it. So I don't know. Looks like a lot of things are not going to be open. That looks closed as well. This whole strip looks kind of boring, actually. I mean, compared to what all those videos were that I saw. Now they're going into there. So all the lights are off. Last night I was exploring the city, and I came here around this time, and there was like nothing really happening. But there was like boats here as soon as it got dark. So there's actually something kind of cool. And then there was a nightlife area that was right on here, like a really busy big one. But this one was like, there's some people sitting in front of that bar too. So I don't know, let's go this way. But yeah, so I don't know what to think. Here's some of the boats coming by. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a separate video and just film over there in the evening before it gets lively. And I'm just curious if there's people inside this one too. It's weird because it's about 7 p.m. maybe? No, 6 p.m. So maybe they get going later. So I don't know. I don't know the story. But yesterday I walked by it and it looked kind of the same. And that side was very lively and the city was very lively. And I was probably here about 8 p.m. and I came back about 12 p.m. to see if it had changed, and it was just dead. Nothing, like everything was closed. So anyways, this is kind of a nightlife street with no nightlife that I can see. Especially on a Saturday, you'd think this should be very, very busy. I don't know what happened. But nonetheless, this is the Riverside boat area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to an ending. And I'm just going to come up to the top here. And then I'm going to film the other direction. And then I'm going to end this video. But yeah, last night they had some stuff here, like tourist stuff. Chariot reader, such like that. So all of this should be busy. There's like people around. I don't know. So we're gonna go up there and then we're gonna film overlooking the water. Got this giant Marco Polo. Marco Polo. Ashton Bridge. So we're gonna take a look and then we're gonna end this video over at the waterfront. Okay. So that's our nightlife that doesn't really seem to exist at all. We're gonna go up this way. And then we're gonna try to overlook the side here. There we go. So when I saw different videos, I could see stuff in all these spots, and there's bars to the left and to the right. There's people on the right side, but nobody on the left. So we'll see what it's like later tonight. If it's worth filming, I'll film it. If it's interesting, if it's not, then I'll just leave it alone. So, okay.